These animals have real superpowers, and they're cooler than you think. Mantis shrimp can punch with the speed of a bullet. Tardigrades can survive space, boiling, and radiation. Axolotl can regrow its limbs, spine, even part of its brain. Lyrebird can mimic chainsaws, car alarms, and human speech. Pistol shrimp shoots bubbles that stun prey at 210 decibels. Bombardier beetle shoots boiling chemical spray from its rear. Octopus can edit its own RNA to adapt to extreme environments. Salmon navigate thousands of miles using Earth's magnetic field. Electric eel generates shocks up to 600 volts. Froghopper jumps over 100x its body height, better than any Olympian. Which animal superpower do you want? Drop it in the comments and subscribe to Tenfold Trivia for more amazing facts in 60 seconds.